How to stream Crunchyroll on Discord without a black screen. This is a quick and easy tutorial, so let's get started. First, open Discord. You can do this through your browser or the Discord app. Once open, go to the bottom left of your screen and click on User Settings. Scroll down until you find Voice and Video and click on it. Now, scroll down to Video Hardware Acceleration. If it's turned on, switch it off and confirm by clicking OK. Next, go to your browser. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the menu. I'm using Microsoft Edge, but the steps are similar in other browsers. Open Settings, then in the search bar, type Graphics. Look for Use Hardware Acceleration when available. If it's turned on, turn it off. Then, relaunch your browser. After restarting, go back to Discord. Join a voice channel, share your screen, and you should now be able to stream Crunchyroll without the black screen. That's it, you're all set.